Hey, we're gonna check out these carpet stair treads by PADOOR. I was sent these to check out. Here are my thoughts. These hopefully will provide some grip and comfort for my stairs. As you can see, I got 2 sets of stairs here on a raised ranch. These popped right in place. They were so easy to install. There's a plastic backing on the back that you're gonna need to take off. The plastic on some of these can be a little tricky. Just make sure you're careful and make sure you get all of the plastic off. So once you got that plastic peeled back, you're ready to install. I'd make sure your stair is vacuumed, wiped down, and clean. Simply gonna line it up, put it down, and it sticks right on. What's really cool about this adhesive is that you can re-stick it. This isn't like a permanent glue. There's no gobby mess or anything. It still will maintain the adhesion. So if you don't like the positioning of it, you can peel it off and it sticks right back on. And as you can see, I'm kicking these around. These are staying in place very well. So these are a nice, comfortable carpet. There is a good grip on these for when I walk up and down the stairs. They're soft and comfortable on my feet. They also reduce the noise of going up and down the stairs. And the main reason we purchased this is because we have a dog that comes in and out of this door. This is gonna keep the stairs dry for when he runs up. He runs as fast as he can. We tried to stop him, but he doesn't want to change. So we're gonna adapt to him. So we got these. All right, let's bring him inside. Fast as he can, he runs right up the stairs. These are nice and comfortable, and I can definitely feel the grip. All right, we'll take a closer look at the woven pattern here. This is all carpet, and there's some ridges here that will help with your traction when you're going up and down the stairs. These also are super easy to clean. They're listed as machine washable. I look forward to being able to do that. I really love the simplicity of the installation of this. It literally just took minutes to install, and it really gives a nice, new, fresh look for these old dingy stairs that I have.